Good morning, everybody. Our first card is from Archangel Ariel, and he wants you to take great pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. He says there's a lot of joy through spiritual growth. Be a light to others. We must pay attention to our finances as we move forward with our own dreams and wishes. We are going to be enlightened really soon, and this is going to be a form of justice and balance in our lives. A lot of us are going to be involved with the law. It's something that we don't see coming, but it's going to bring us good news in our lives, good turnouts. There is a money path waiting for us to discover, and we must trust that we are being guided with love from the universe. It's opening doors for us, and we are staying positive and we are staying excited for the future. We must let go of stress, says the unicorn spirit. Don't take on other people's stress. Breathe it out now. And the fortune teller there says your intuition is your greatest strength. Trust it. And there's somebody leaving your life, and this is going to end a lot of stress that you held on to um, forever, let's say. You are going to be divinely guided on the path you must take, and the unicorn spirit says change. The change that you're going through is positive. And the fortune teller card says a hidden talent will soon be discovered. Nurture it. You ready? You ready to take on a new role? You allowing the sun back into your life, and the elementals say, don't seek anyone else's approval. And also, they say, you deserve sugar, not salt. And they say, let go of the past, bring the past, heal the past, and bring that healing into your future. There's new beginnings. Take this as an opportunity to rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. Have a lovely day, everybody. Lots of love from me to you.